Okay, OABC is a square, so that length same as that length. Well, they're all the same length. Okay, that's the first thing. M is the midpoint of AB, so that length here is the same length as that. And L is a point on MC, such that LC equals 2 ML. So this is 2 parts for that one part there. I've got to use vectors to prove that L lies on the line OB. So I've got to show that L lies on OB, which basically means I need to say that the line going from O to B is in the same direction as the line going to O to L. If I do that, then, and they both start at O, then they must be on the same line. So first off, if you're not sure, it mentions OB, so at least write down what the vector OB is. And the vector OB, to go from here to B, I need to go along there, it's A, and then straight up is B, because that's B, because it's a square, and so that's going to be A plus B. And now I actually want to work out what OL is. And to get to OL, I think I'm going to go up to C, so I'm going to go to O to C, and then I'm going to go from C to L, and that would get me from O to L. Right, to do that, I'm going to have to go, that equals OC, the first bit, plus, to get from C to L, to go to 2/3 of C to M. So it's plus 2/3 of C to M, because that's 2 parts, that's 1 part, so it's 2 out of a whole 3. So now I need to work out what CM is. So this is OC, that's B, plus 2/3 of C to M. So I've got to go here. Well, to get there, I'm going to go backwards along here, so that's minus B, plus the A, and then I need to go on here, and that's the midpoint, so that's half of B. So plus a half of B. And that equals B plus 2/3 of minus, or we've got the A here, so it'll be A, and then minus B plus a half of B is minus a half of B. Come across, so this equals B plus 2/3 of A, and then I've got to do 2/3 times by minus a half, so it'll be minus 2 times 1, the top is 2, bottom's 3 times 2 is 6, so 2 over 6 B, and that equals 2/3 of A, and that's 1/3 of B, so I've got a B minus 1/3 of B, so that'd be plus 2/3 of B. That's looking good, because that is 2/3 of A plus B. Notice there, same direction. Therefore, OB and OL are in same direction. Both start from O, therefore L must lie on the line OB. And that's done. And just going some way down along the lines of this would get you some marks. And that's out of 5. It's quite a tricky question again, but that's question 20 and the whole paper done.